Good morning traders and welcome to the daily call today, Friday the 2nd of June. Before we get started, as always, please understand that any advice in today's session is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Alright, let us have a quick look at what's happened overnight. We'll start off in Australia. Retail sales were up 1%. And private capital expenditure came in at 0.3%, relatively positive for the Aussie, but it was the China PMI data which showed contraction for the first time in 8 months, which basically killed our Aussie dollar, and we dropped hard yesterday, losing around about 100 pips for the day. Currently trading this morning at 73.80. In the UK, we had manufacturing sector remained resilient actually, with PMI coming in at 56.7 and sustaining most of the growth momentum which has been gained over the prior months. The GBP USD currently trading at 128.80 at the moment. In the US, we had private sector jobs from the ADP come in strong at 253,000 new jobs, which was a big jump from the 181 that was expected. Unemployment claims was pretty close to the forecast. As a result, the US dollar had a recovery day, and that comes ahead of non-farm payrolls, which happens tonight. I'll give you the details in one moment, but that's the current situation for the US dollar. All right, let us take a look at our chart of the day today. The chart that I have found for us this morning it's a GBP JPY 4-hour chart. You can see clearly from what I'm showing you, there's a very solid resistance line which I've marked out, and on a 4-hour chart we've just produced a really nice inside candle. The current candle is still trading inside of that, so we're looking for the break, and should we get that, then we have a valid entry signal for that. So there you have it. That's our chart of the day today, the GBP JPY on a 4-hour time frame. Okay, let's have a look at the final session for the week. We have starting at 6:30 this evening, we have construction PMI numbers from the UK. At 10:30, for any CAD traders, we have the trade balance figures that are popping up, and of course also at 10:30 we have the big one. We have non-farm payroll, so the employment change in numbers and the average hourly earnings. So let's have a look at what's happened. We kind of the scenarios that we're looking at, we kind of need strong numbers for the market to get the confidence back and see that a June rate hike would be possible, and basically we go pro dollar again. But should the numbers miss the mark, well then there could be a sharp descent in the opposite way. So take a look. If you've never traded, if you've never seen, should I say, the price action during that moment, just log in, have a bit of a look at 10:30 to 9 non-farm payroll numbers. Guys, as always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, I hope you'll have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend. I'll speak to you on Monday for the daily call. Bye for now.